Every step can feel heavy after 61, especially when your ankles grow stiff and your comfort slips away. You deserve to move freely again without wincing at each footfall. Imagine standing at your front door, ready for a stroll, and feeling solid support under each foot. A simple ankle lift routine can restore that walking comfort in minutes a day. No fancy equipment, no expensive therapy, just a few gentle lifts and lowers that awaken key muscles and ease stiffness. If you've ever hesitated before stepping onto the porch, comment number 1 below so we know you're here. And if you want more practical routines designed just for you, please subscribe and tap the bell. Your support keeps Golden Years Wisdom bringing you life-changing tips. Many seniors assume ankle stiffness is just part of aging, but there's good news. Targeted movement can rebuild strength and flexibility. Take Mr. Roberts, 65, who once dreaded the first few steps each morning. He began doing ankle lifts every evening, standing behind a sturdy chair, holding its backrest lightly, lifting his heels off the floor until only his toes touched, holding for 3 seconds, then lowering and immediately lifting his toes so his heels stayed grounded. 10 repetitions per foot, 2 sets each night became his ritual. Within just 1 week, he noticed less soreness. Within 3, his 2-mile walk became smooth and pain-free again. He calls this routine his secret to staying active. If you've ever tried a simple standing exercise like this, comment number 2 below and share your experience. To understand why ankle lifts work so well, consider what happens as muscles age. Dr. Anna Liu, a licensed physiotherapist specializing in geriatric mobility, explains that calf muscles, gastrocnemius and soleus, and the muscles that lift your toes, tibialis and anterior, naturally weaken and shorten over time. This leads to stiffness, reduced range of motion, and a higher risk of trips or falls. By lifting heels and toes in a controlled rhythm, you activate both muscle groups, improve blood flow, and rebuild the fine neuromuscular connections that keep you steady on your feet. Dr. Liu recommends practicing ankle lifts twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening, emphasizing slow, deliberate movement rather than speed. If you'd like more expert-backed routines for better balance and mobility, comment number 3 below. And if you value these professional insights, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Your encouragement helps us share more expert tips just for you. Starting is easy. Stand behind a chair or next to a kitchen counter for support, feet hip-width apart. Lift your heels off the floor until you're on your toes. Count silently, 1, 2, 3. Then lower heels gently. Without pausing, lift your toes toward the ceiling, holding for another 3 counts, then lower. That's 1 full repetition. Aim for 10 reps on each foot, 2 sets total. If balance feels challenging at first, perform the toe lifts seated. Sit tall, extend one leg, and lift toes while keeping your heel grounded. Either version strengthens key muscles, and switching between standing and seated adds variety. If you'd like a printable guide or short video link for this routine, comment number 4 below. Cardiologist Dr. Rajesh Patel highlights another benefit. Improved ankle strength encourages more walking, which supports cardiovascular health. He notes that regular movement at your ankles increases circulation, helping reduce swelling in the lower legs and feet, a common concern among seniors. Better ankle mobility makes walking less daunting, so you're more likely to maintain a regular exercise habit. Dr. Patel suggests checking your ankles after a month of lifts. If swelling has lessened or feet feel cooler, you're enhancing your vascular health. If you've noticed reduced puffiness or brisker circulation from simple movements, comment number 5 below and share your results. And if you're enjoying these heart-healthy tips, please subscribe and turn on alerts. You'll never miss new routines that protect both your mobility and your heart. To keep progress steady, try variations. One evening, practice double leg heel raises. Lift both heels simultaneously, hold for 5 counts, then lower slowly. This challenges balance and engages your core muscles. On other days, focus on seated toe lifts to isolate the tibialis anterior without worrying about stability. Over time, you'll build both strength and confidence. Mrs. Patel, 68, combined ankle lifts with brushing her teeth each night, calling it her 2 birds, 1 routine. She found stacking the habit made it impossible to forget. After just 3 weeks, she reported no more wobbles getting dressed in the morning. If you've used a smart trick to make exercise stick, comment number 6 below and inspire the community. Adaptation is key. Physical therapist Dr. Maria Gomez recommends wearing supportive shoes during the routine, especially those with firm soles that let you feel the floor evenly. If nerves or arthritis cause discomfort, place a folded towel under your heels for gentle cushioning. Always listen to your body. Stretch to a comfortable point, not into pain. Over time, tiny increases in range of motion will add up. If you've adjusted exercises for comfort, comment number 7 below and let us know how you made it work. Exercise becomes more fun with friends. Invite a few neighbors or fellow seniors to join you on the porch or in a community room. Share support handles, chairs, rails, or walking sticks, and count aloud together. Encouragement and laughter turn a simple routine into a social gathering. Many find that accountability from friends keeps motivation high. If you'd like help organizing a local ankle lift group, comment number 8 below, and let's connect you with others on the same journey. And if you cherish community-focused wellness tips, please subscribe and ring the bell. Your support makes Golden Years Wisdom a hub for shared success. As consistency builds, everyday tasks become easier. Standing on one foot to put on shoes, climbing stairs without gripping the railing, or walking on uneven ground feel less daunting. Improved ankle strength also decreases fall risk up to 40% according to recent studies, helping preserve independence and confidence. If you've experienced fewer stumbles or more stable steps, comment number 9 below and celebrate your success with us. To wrap up, follow this simple plan. Stand behind support, lift heels for 3 counts, lower, lift toes for 3 counts, lower, 10 reps per side, 2 sets, morning and evening. Try seated toe lifts or double leg raises as variations. Wear supportive footwear, listen to your body, and stack the habit by pairing with daily tasks like brushing teeth. Invite friends to join for extra motivation and track progress with a simple chart. If you're ready to reclaim comfortable walking, comment number 10 below and tell us which variation you'll start tonight. And if these straightforward routines resonate, please subscribe and share this video with someone who deserves easier steps and stronger ankles. Your support empowers us to keep creating respectful, practical guidance for your golden years.